Hello and good evening to all of you. Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this channel again. So today we'll discuss a job openings from New Zealand, and I will share with you a latest job openings from New Zealand. So if you are interested to apply, then keep watching this video till the end, and let's know what is the job openings and how to apply everything details. So let's start. There is just 30 workers required in New Zealand. So this is a 30 workers employment visa on work permit New Zealand. On male candidate can be applied. The qualification should be ITI or above with minimum 2 years of working experience and can speak Chinese and English. And your age limit should be 20 to 45 years, and your passport should be EC or ECNR authorized sale without Singapore SEC certificates 46,600 ND per month. With Singapore SEC certificate 5,500 and New Zealand dollar per month. So other benefits 10 to 20 hours overtime in a week, free accommodation, better career growth. Office address, this you can see here. This is Gujarat in India. This is the official email address. So this is a urgent job vacancies from New Zealand, and there are vacancies for 30 workers, and they will be all get for the new job as a employment visa. So work permit they can get once they selected. So the minimum qualifications should be ITI or above, and relevant experience should be minimum of 2 years. And the language is Chinese or English. Age limit I already shared with you. Passport should be ECNR. And salary details you can see here 4,600 New Zealand dollar per month. If you have SEC certificates from Singapore, then the salary will be increased. Other benefits 10 to 20 hours overtime and free accommodations, better career growth. So I hope this is a handsome salary for you, and they have better opportunity to build your career in New Zealand. If you want to apply, you have to forward your CV to give in official email ID, and you can visit to the office to attend the client interview. The client interview will be very soon, and after you apply by the official email ID, they will get you notifications so that you can attend the interview by Zoom interview or by office visit. So they will guide you after you apply. But before you apply, make sure your CV be professionals and properly mention your qualifications and all experience details so that your CV will be shortlisted. Then you can attend the interview. Once you are in success from the interview, the rest process will be start like medical and other process. So I hope you understand all the things. Still, if you have any confusion, you can drop your question in the comment box, and I will try to give you an answer. And please share this information to all of your friends and relatives who want to move New Zealand with a job. It's a good opportunity. Don't miss it. And I already shared with you in the previous videos. If you are looking for a abroad job, then you have to keep patience and you have to try again and again. So this is a opportunity for New Zealand. Don't be late, apply as soon as possible. Of course you can get a chance to attend the interview. Once you get success from the interview, of course you can get a chance to get a job in New Zealand. So I hope you understand all the things, and lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. Of course in the next video we will discuss other job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel, check each and every videos in this channel and apply as soon as possible if any of jobs are suitable for you. So best of luck. Goodbye.